Hello, my name is Heng Chien, and today I'm excited to introduce you to my IoT-based innovation, the Smart Street Light System. Before that, let's begin by identifying what is the problem for the current street lighting system. Right now, our current street lighting system consumes a lot of energy, and at the same time, a lot of street light works on a fixed schedule, for example, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., no matter what the actual weather or traffic looks like, which means that during heavy rain or fog, those still can be very dark and dangerous. On the other hand, when there is no one around, the light will be still at full brightness and waste a lot of energy. Therefore, I came up with a solution, a smart street light system that adjusts to a real conditions. First, our street light has motion sensors and a smart camera. It detects cars, people, and even poor visibility and automatically brightens or dims the light as needed. So it saves energy and keeps the road safer. Second, all the street lights are connected as a system. They can talk to each other and send updates to a central control team. If one street light breaks, the system sends an alert right away so it can be fixed very quickly. And the best part is eco-friendly and cost-saving. Each pole has a solar panel and a backup battery so the lights keep working even during the power shortage or blackout. Next, let's move on to the architecture. This system is built on a five-layer IoT architecture, combining perception, communication, processing, application, and power layers to ensure smooth operations and easy management. Compared to the conventional street lights, our smart system is proactive, efficient, and intelligent. While traditional lights waste energy by staying up all night, our system lights up only when and where is needed. Let me give you an example to show you how my system stands out. On visibility, traditional street light turns on a set time, even if it's bright outside or super foggy during the day. But with my smart system, the light responds to a real visibility. So if it's raining or foggy at 3 p.m., they will turn on automatically to keep the road safe. In summary, the smart street light system is more than just a lighting. It's a step towards safer, smarter, and much more sustainable city. By combining real-time sensing, smart communications, and clean energy, these solutions help cities reduce costs, protect the environment, and improve the public safety. It's time to light the way forward intelligently. Thank you.